जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक हैं? मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ जो आजकल मैं आपके साथ आइट्स की वीडियोस शेयर कर रहा हूँ, स्पेशली आइट्स पार्ट 3 जो कि डिस्कशन क्वेश्चंस होते हैं। जो डिस्कशन पार्ट है उसके हवाले से आपके साथ में आई थिंक 5 से 6 वीडियोस ऑलरेडी आपके साथ शेयर कर चुका हूँ। तो ये जैसा कि मैं अक्सर बताता हूँ कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा आपके लिए मुफीद हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस इसमें डिफ़िकल्ट होते हैं। डिफ़िकल्ट इस लिहाज से होते हैं कि आपको काफ़ी लेंथी आंसर देना होता है और आपको फौरी तौर पे समझ नहीं आ रही होती कि आप उनके बारे में क्या बयान करें। तो आइए फिर हम अपने उन टॉपिक्स की तरफ चलते हैं। What type of toys do children like? So different children like different toys. But if I talk about the girls, they mostly like to buy the dolls, and also they like to buy utensils. So on the other hand, the boys like to buy the toy cars. They like to buy also in some cases we find they like to buy guns, pistols, and we know that the toys such as guns and pistols may not be good for the children's psyche. But in most cases we find that the boys prefer to buy such kind of toys. Why do children like to play with toys of certain brands or certain companies? उस सवाल उसने ये किया है कि यानी क्यों कुछ लोग एक मखसूस किस्म के ब्रांड के ही टॉयज क्यों पसंद करते हैं? Actually, we generally observe that children prefer to buy the toys of certain companies, certain brands, because they see those toys in the different types of advertisements. Those advertisements are on the TV channels. They also come across the videos on YouTube where they also see those toys. They also prefer the branded toys because their quality is so good, and also they most often are generally produced with all the protecting measures, because in some cases we observe some toys have the sharp edges and which may harm the children, and also in some toys we mostly observe that a lot of chemicals are used for their production, and those are not good for the children, especially for the toddlers जो छोटी उम्र के बच्चे होते हैं. As we know that the toddlers are in habit of putting everything into their mouths. So such toys containing the chemicals or having the sharp edges are not useful for the children of all age groups. What do toy companies do to sell their toys? वो कहता है कि जो टॉय कंपनीज हैं वो आमतौर पे अपने टॉयज को बेचने के लिए क्या करती हैं? These companies get their toys advertised through different advertisements. They also, in some cases, uh, show different kinds of exhibitions in which they display their toys, and sometimes we also see that they get their toys advertised from different movies, also based on the uh, characters which are generally part of the fictional movies. I may have the example of the Spider-Man, for example. When the children see those fictional characters in the movies who really show a lot of miracle happenings, they play the role of supernatural characters in the movies. So they like their costumes. Do children's preferences in toys change when they grow up? Indeed. When the children grow up, their choices of toys or their preferences of toys also change with the time. As we generally observe, when the children grow up, their choice of their preferences of toys also change. they like the toys which are of complicated nature, which are highly sophisticated, and which look so much real as compared to the toys that are generally liked by the toddlers. So this choice definitely grows up, and we also observe the grown-up children prefer to buy expensive toys, and the toys which also have so much mechanical technology involved in them. What kind of games should be compulsory in secondary schools? वो कहता है कि सेकेंडरी स्कूल्स में किस किस्म की गेम्स ज़रूरी होनी चाहिए. आई थिंक in the primary schools the compulsory games should be like athletics, in which there is much involvement of body movements, in which children must participate with a lot of vigilance, a lot of vigor, and also which games that really require a lot of energy. So these games will keep the interest of the students at the primary level intact. यानी ये गेम्स जो हैं वो जो स्टूडेंट्स प्रिलिमिनरी लेवल पे, जो प्राइमरी लेवल पे जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं उनकी तवज्जो को मबजूल कराए रखते हैं. Should older people also play these games? I don't think so that older people prefer to play these games, because these games involve a lot of energy, these a lot of hard work, a lot of involvement of physical activities. And sometimes we observe that, but or rather I should say most often, the older people may not be able to generate as much energy as is generally required for playing such kind of games. तो ये एक आर्ट स्पीकिंग टेस्ट था जिसके कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे, ये टॉय से रिलेटेड थे, और टॉय से रिलेटेड आपने देखा कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे, और इसके बाद फिर उसने थोड़ा सा टॉपिक चेंज कर दिया था कि किस किस्म की गेम्स जो है सेकेंडरी स्कूल लेवल पर लाजमी होनी चाहिए, और फिर क्या ओल्ड पीपल भी वो गेम्स खेल सकते हैं. तो आइए हम नेक्स्ट टेस्ट के पार्ट 3 की तरफ जाते हैं. मैं आपका ज्यादा टाइम नहीं दूंगा. ओके ओके. Do companies respond quickly to customers' feedback and inquiries? May or may not be. Maybe in the sense, if people complain to the branded companies, most often they respond to the customers' feedback so quickly, because they don't want to compromise on the quality of their things, and they want to satisfy their customers. But on the other hand, the companies that are not so popular and that may not be selling the things of higher quality, they may not, in most cases we observe, they don't respond the customers complaints so early. Would you buy another product from this company? अच्छा, ये सवाल इस लिहाज से है चूंकि जो कि पहला टॉपिक था, जो हमारा पहला टॉपिक था उसमें जो क्यू कार्ड था, क्यू कार्ड के अंदर जो टॉपिक पूछा गया था उसमें एक स्पीच थी कि कोई प्रोडक्ट आपने किसी कंपनी से खरीदी थी. तो ये सवाल असल में उससे रिलेटेड था, तो आपने उससे कंफ्यूज नहीं होना, ठीक है. तो इस सवाल को मैं इसलिए छोड़ रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने ऊपर क्यू कार्ड को यहाँ पे डिस्कस नहीं किया है. हाँ, अगर इस तरह आप कहते हैं कि फर्ज करें मैंने ऊपर ये बोला था कोई कंपनी थी, फर्ज करें कि कोई भी कंपनी है ABC और XYZ, कोई भी कंपनी है, उसकी प्रोडक्ट ली थी, ठीक है, तो उसमें कोई फॉल्ट आ गया था, तो उसने कहा सो वुड यू बाय अनदर प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम दिस कंपनी. तो आप कह सकते हैं ऑफ कोर्स I would definitely buy another product from this company, because the way they responded to my complaint, the way they replaced their faulty product with the new one, and the way they showed their good behavior, I would definitely buy another product from that ABC company, Nike company, or whatsoever the name of company is. Okay, what should companies do to retain their customers base? वो कहता है कि कंपनीज अपने कस्टमर्स की बेस को बाकी रखने के लिए क्या करती हैं? They try level, they try their level best to produce or to provide or to sell the quality products to their customers. They even most often they also offers them, gives them so many offers in which they even give them a specific a specific type of uh, also discounts. Maybe they may offer them 10% extra discount as compared to the new customers. They also, in most cases, keep in touch with the old customers so that they may keep on buying the products of their own company or their company. So, when you receive a defective product, what you prefer to would you prefer to get it replaced or repaired? I would definitely prefer to get it replaced, because if I get it repaired, I may not be still satisfied with it. In most cases, we find that the repaired products or items don't last longer. वो ज़्यादा अरसा जारी नहीं रहते. They may not be so durable as the new ones are. So I would definitely prefer to get it replaced with the new one. तो ये दूसरा पार्ट था. दूसरा पार्ट से मुराद है कि एक और आइट स्पीकिंग टेस्ट का पार्ट 3 या डिस्कशन पार्ट था जो कि मैंने आपके साथ अभी शेयर किया है. तो आइए हम अपने नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक से मुराद मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं जो एक और टेस्ट का जो पार्ट 3 है उसको मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ. तो हाँ, मैं कह रहा था कि एक और टेस्ट है जिसका पार्ट 3 में आपके साथ अभी शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ. यानी पार्ट 3 के जो क्वेश्चन हैं, जो डिस्कशन क्वेश्चन हैं, मैं उनको शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ. सो व्हाट डू पीपल वियर टू द ऑफिस इन योर कंट्री? Mostly people wear the formal dresses in their offices. They like to wear the formal dresses such as our national dress, shalwar kameez, or they prefer to wear uh, the full suitings like the pant shirt, which is normally used, and also they mostly prefer to wear the dress up pants. Do people shop online in your country? Not really. As compared to the people who prefer to buy things in a person or in stores, their number is much more higher than those of the people who prefer to shop online. But buying products online, the trend of buying online is growing with every passing day. Do young people and old people wear different clothes or similar? In most cases, young people wear the fashionable clothes like tight jeans, t shirts, and also the embroidered shirts, and maybe the dresses which are quite according to the latest fashion. Whereas the old people prefer to wear sober dresses. They like to wear the dresses that are so cool, that are so comfortable to them. Why do some people prefer to shop online and others like to shop in stores? The people who like to buy things online, they want to buy new products, especially the products available or being sold from other parts of the world. They believe it may not be, and normally it is found, it is not possible for the people to visit all the countries or many countries of the world. So, but on the other hand, they may buy the things from other countries online, such from the websites like the Draws.com, eBay.com, and so forth and so forth, even the OLX and so forth and so forth. And on the other hand, there are people who believe that their experience of online shopping is not good. They believe the products they buy online, their quality is not so good. They believe their quality is not so good as is the quality of those products that they buy in a person और that they buy in store, यानी जो कि वो खुद जाके स्टोर पे खरीदते हैं, उनकी क्वालिटी उनके ख्याल में वो ज्यादा अच्छी होती है. Do you think it is possible that there won't be any stores in the future and people will only shop online? I don't think so. It won't be possible. The number of people buying online may increase and may will keep on increasing in future, but the role of in-store shopping or shopping in a person will remain intact, because buying there is no second to doing shopping in a person, because the things which you can check with your hands or which you can observe with your human eye, I don't think so that there can be any second to them. And also they can do also they can see the things and their quality with their naked eye. तो ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे जिनको मैंने डिस्कस किया. आपने देखा बीच में इंटरप्शन हो जाती है, जाहिर है आपको पता ही है कि वी कांट मोस्टली फाइंड द क्वाइट प्लेस, तो कोई ना कोई बंदा आ जाता है तो उसमें फिर हमारी इंटरप्शन होती है. एनीवेज, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और फिर मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा एज यूजुअल कि मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और शेयर भी कीजिएगा उन तमाम वीडियोस को जो मैं आपके साथ अपने चैनल पे अपलोड कर रहा हूँ, और बेल आइकन को के बटन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिएगा. इससे ये होगा कि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो के बारे में आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा. तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.